Yo, yo, yo.
Hello, guys.
How you doing?
Hello, guys. How are you doing?
Good. Okay, sorry,
Am I
we're
asking?
them.
I'm asking them.
Ay.
I'm asking them, not you.
How are you guys doing?
Hello, Damlola to course.
Welcome.
Welcome.
This is a
everybody.
very quick one.
Very quick live.
Yes, we are still in the Canada-versary, Jackpot anniversary mode.
Yeah.
Yes, and for those of you that do not know, today actually marks one year that we landed in Canada.
Literally.
We have some exciting news for you guys, so make sure you watch till the end. Stay with us today. We're not going to stay more than 15 minutes here because we're also rushing for choir rehearsals. Stay with us. We have some exciting news at the end of this live, all right? But right now, we're just doing Ask Us Anything in 15 minutes, and we'll try our best to answer you. So please send in your questions quickly.
Yeah, anything about maybe Canada, how
Canada,
been,
life in Canada,
whatever.
last 1 year.
You know.
Ask us anything quickly. Our Master
is here.
Master, I celebrate you. Master, say why are you so fresh?
It's the ring light, though.
Yeah, no, it's the glory of God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Master. I appreciate you. Send in your questions quickly. We're going for rehearsal soon, so we just wanted to do a quick, time with you guys.
Thank you so much, Faith Benedict.
Yeah, I don't even know if Canada-versary is a word. I just put it there. I just put it there. Someone said Jackpot anniversary.
Yeah.
Master, we love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Is it Canada-versary now? I put Canada-versary.
Okay, Canada-versary.
So someone says rate Canada.
Rate Canada.
So we are vlogging today. We're going to vlog today and talk about some things that we have experienced in Canada that are contrary to what we knew in Nigeria. But yeah, watch out for that vlog maybe sometimes.
But maybe we'll just give
next
you
week.
like a teaser, right?
Okay, yeah, okay.
I think Canada, let me say rating it maybe on like a scale of 1 to 10. Should I say, let's say 8, Sha.
I mean,
I'll give it 8.
It depends on what you're
because-
rating it against.
Exactly, because I mean, apart from the general life is better and stuff like that, it's really not as it seems.
Yeah, it's
In
still kind of normal.
everything. No. So I don't know if you get what I mean.
Okay.
So rating it now, it's not like here is like heaven or something.
It's not.
Like it really isn't. There are even some laws, some policies that we see and we're like, is this where I want to raise my child?
Yeah, I feel like maybe when we have children, we'll send them to Nigeria till they're like grown up and come back.
Because
this environment is scary.
it's very weird.
Everybody wants to do whatever they feel like doing.
Yeah.
And that's the greatest
Challenge.
Yeah.
So, but like in general, in terms of like living and stuff like that, I think it's okay. I think it's good. I mean,
Yeah.
the government tries as their possible best to make you as comfortable as possible. So, I mean, and they take from the rich, give to the poor in taxes. Very killing something, but we bless God. I think I saw another question that what inspired you to move out of Nigeria?
Okay.
To be honest, I feel like there are a lot of factors that inspired us. There was a spiritual aspect. There was a spiritual aspect.
Yeah, there was a strong.
We knew that
there was
God
a strong leading that we were to live in Canada.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, it was a strong leading before I even got married.
Honestly,
and my wife
for a very long
bought
time.
into that vision. Yeah.
And then over time, I mean, even from the time when you actually thought of going to Canada, I don't think Nigeria was even as bad.
It wasn't, and
It wasn't.
I say this on my status sometimes. Hug a Nigerian today.
Literally.
To be honest, I mean, we are Nigerians. We are not Canadians. We live in Canada, but we are Nigerians. We'll always be Nigerians, even when we become Canadians. I mean, we have family in Nigeria, and it's just disheartening to see the things that are happening in the country right now. It's sad. Pray for Nigeria. Love your friends. Love your neighbor. The fact that you're in Nigeria, just love yourself because you are going through a lot.
Yeah, someone says me, I believe it doesn't matter where the children are born. Of course, it doesn't matter. I mean, being born here, I feel like it even affords them, avails them more opportunities and stuff.
Absolutely.
But you would have to do a more intentional work, which even in Nigeria, you have to be intentional. But there's just an extra level of intentionality that you have to like put in place because it's I mean, you have to really instill your own goals and your own visions into your children.
Absolutely.
You can't just let the society just teach you and everything like that.
Okay. Now I feel like we can still raise children here with the right community. Thank God for the church as a community. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that it's not hard. It is actually difficult.
Yeah, it is. I mean, when you have like a lot of ideologies around swarming your child, and then you are trying to tell them what matters, and then the people outside they're
also asking your child, what's your parent telling you?
And they're also making them feel uncool. You know, it's like peer pressure, right? So they have to be subjected to a lot of peer pressure, a lot of bullying, because they're trying to stand for something. Yeah, somebody asked and said, "So guys, ask us anything. That's what we're doing. We're leaving very soon, so ask us any question. It could be about relationship, it could be about our marriage. That's fine. Will you guys still come visiting?" Of course. I can't even wait to come to Nigeria. It's going to be like Nigerian tour. Whatever brings me down to Nigeria, I'm going to have to do a tour around certain places. So we'll definitely announce, and then if you guys would like to have us in your programs and stuff, you'll be able to send your invite. But that's like in the far future. I'm not sure when they're coming to Nigeria. I'm not sure, man. When do you intend to bring family over, like mommy and brother? Well, that's one. One of my brothers might come this year. I don't know, just to come and visit. Family, mommy and daddy. I mean, I feel like when the child comes, that's the best time to bring them, so that they come and kill two stones with one bird. Yeah. How did you get your jobs in Canada? It's simple now. You apply for a job, you do interview, and you get selected. Yeah. Okay, should we drop our news now? No. We should not drop Guys, there's a news coming up. We have a very important news to share with you in the next 3 minutes. Because we joined this a bit late, so I won't be able to calculate 15 minutes. Okay. I want to answer a few more questions. Are you guys going to meet up with Tolulope Solutions for a collaboration? I mean, Tolulope Solutions is a friend. We are already connected, and I mean, very soon, hopefully. Maybe because now she has moved a little farther away, so it's even more difficult. We have to maybe be going to that place first. Initially when we just came, it took us some time to connect. But I mean, we're cool, we're friends, but they're just now far away, so a little challenging. But watch out for a collaboration coming out soon with Folashade Dining. Yes, we filmed that one. Yeah, that's gonna come out. If you guys don't know Folashade Dining, check her out. She's an amazing person. And then when the collaboration comes out, babe, my neck is paining me. Thank you. I cannot hold your neck. You cannot hold my neck. Okay, someone said, as a software engineer in Canada, what skills would you advise a person to learn? Know your stuff. Just know how to code. If you say you can code, be able to code and be able to pass an interview. In the end, the interviews are like you are fighting Godzilla, and then when you start working, it's like you are doing Barney, and that's true. Yeah. You just want to make sure that you know your stuff. The work is not even as hard as they make the interviews, and it's everywhere. Okay, let's tell you our news. How many of you are ready to hear the good news, the exciting news we have? I want to see your emojis right now. This is actually something very exciting to us. Yeah, it's something exciting. It's something we have been incubating. Yeah. And incubating for a while. I don't guess what it is. So don't guess what it is. Because you will not guess right. And your guesses can start getting me on my nerves. Okay, so what's the news? Babe, tell them. Okay, so guys, we are launching a website. Woo! I didn't answer your question. Can you ask again? I didn't see it. Akinyoluwa, I'm sorry, I didn't see your question. Please ask again. Yes, we're launching a website. We're launching a website. Yes. And this website, I mean, if you've ever wanted to talk to us, have conversations with us, have a one-on-one session like counseling and stuff, you can start to have that. We are certified counselors, under Pastor Kingsley's ministry and Pastor Bisi Adewale. So we are certified counselors. We learned from the best, and we are ready to start to express those things with you guys and start helping. Yeah, I mean, we have been counseling a lot of people. Yeah. Personally,
outside some sort of professional or business side, which has limited how we could help many of you in our DMs. Our DMs are flooded with people asking for counsel, and we just can't answer everybody.
Yeah.
But with this website, you are able to book a session. And our prices are very free because we just want everybody to come in. You know, very soon we'll start increasing the prices, but the website will be coming out very soon, and maybe in a couple of weeks we'll launch it. It's already almost done. We're super excited.
Yeah, super excited.
Not only would you be able to book one-on-one sessions with us, maybe as a couple or as an individual who needs just direction and clarity about life, you will also be able to buy our customized merchandise, t-shirts, hoodies. We're going to have a shop on the website where you can order products that has our logo and some text on it that would help you just identify with Christ and with godly relationship and stuff.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes. And there's also like speaking engagements. If you have speaking engagement, you could just go straight to the website and also book with us for brands that want to advertise stuff, you know, through our pages and stuff like that.
Yes, so you can also reach out to us from the website. Yes, okay, I see your question now. Can we about POF? I mean, it's been a long time. I applied for Canada. Our application took 2 years.
Yeah.
So and we've now been in Canada for 1 year. So it's already 3 years ago that we applied. So if one doesn't have money on the ground, I feel like the rule in Canada is that you have the money. I can't advise you otherwise, except you have a family member that can give you money as a gift. So, and then you notarize it as a gift deed. I can't say anything more than that. Anything other than that, I wouldn't be able to advise. Okay, that is our announcement.
Yeah.
Let me know if you're excited about this.
Yes, and if you're watching this on YouTube, it means that you should be following us on Instagram, because we can't always go live on YouTube and Instagram together. So if we're going to post this on YouTube, so please just go ahead, go look for the Stalwart Lovers, Stalwart
and follow
on Instagram.
Because many people, when we post our Instagram live on YouTube, they are like, oh, I wish I joined. That's because you're not following us. Alright, so make sure you follow us.
Yes.
Okay, we gotta rush now. It's already time is late. God bless you and see you some other time.
Alright, bye.